That's Mark just finishing up. It's been a long day. Yeah, you glad it's done?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Where are you off to now?
It's a water to clean the machine.
Alright, I'll catch you when you come back. There's a way to get water to clean the machine, so we'll just have a little looky how it's got on. It's 7 o'clock at night, so it's had a long day, and we've just had a phone call from the glazer. He'll be here in 15 minutes. So that's the glass going in the two windows. Didn't think it was going to appear, but it's just called. So that'll be the glass in the two windows in the front door. But this is how Mark's got on today. It's looking great. He's still got to touch up bits and pieces tomorrow around the windows where the grills are. But it's a big area to do for one man. But what a difference. So the plan is that tomorrow the groundwork's getting done, the pipes are all going in, and then once that's done they'll get all the air backfilled into this area here for the garden. So what we're just going to do is get the earth in and we'll put chips on top until we decide exactly planting that we're going to do. We've got two pans over there and the twirly over there. We're just going to take our time and then we'll just get all the chips put down, and then I'll get the pergola done at the weekend, get that stained at the weekend, and we're going to get these sleepers all stained the same as the front door, and then we'll get them put in position as well. It made a massive difference. Really pleased. It's a nice night. We've got about 45 minutes daylight left. Just get tidied up. Here he comes. Be exhausted. How many tubs is it taking, Mark? 14 litres. 14 litres, wow. Just going to be cleaning the machine. Not quite sure what the procedure is here. The plant a wee drink. See, it must just be going to be switching the paint over, and then the water will just go through the machine and clean the machine. And that machine, Mark's hired this machine, and it's €40 a day. So tomorrow he's going to drive back up to Moorthere tomorrow, 2-hour drive there, pick up some more stuff from the villa and drive back down, and then get stuck back in here over the weekend. So we've still got another couple of hectic days ahead, but because it's starting to take shape now.